So let's see what's in the box. I've already got it sliced. I just have to pop it open and see if they got the order right. I'm supposed to have some lace, some thread, spools of thread, and some lining. And let's just see if I'm happy with the order. So here it shows my list of purchase. Yes, I did get a lot of lining. 2 and 3 yards. So I'm liking that. So I ordered lining and lace for my projects. I got it in olive green, this brown, the dark navy blue. I like that. Doesn't stand out for what I'm going to use it for. Black, of course. And then the lace. Purple, coral. I think they call this American Beauty. The other colors. So I can't wait to see what they're going to give me in my mystery box, because I'm pretty much settled with the lace here that I took advantage of. Because when I was looking online, it was going anywhere from $7.99 and or as low as $5.99, but not as great as a sale as $2.95 a yard. And then some spools of thread to try out. So hopefully you come back and check out the unboxing of the 2 mystery scrap boxes that I have coming from Fabric Wholesale Direct. And then thanks for watching. Have a great day and bye for now.